Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Pocket Option demo account. Let's begin. So in the top here, there is a drawings option. Let's say that you want to draw a few lines to calculate whether the profit is going to go up or down. You're going to press on this button here, which is drawings. So then we have the horizontal line, vertical line, ray, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci fan, trend line, parallel channel, rectangle, and then Andrew's pitchfork. So then here we can select the various currencies by pushing down this list. So then we have currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, favorites, and then schedule. So in currencies, we have the assets there, and then it says the payout is 92%, as you can see there. And then we also have the option of searching accounts. So if we go to the top right corner, you're going to see it's going to say Q2 Real. So then we're going to press on this downward button. And then we can also select the QT demo. If not the QT demo, then the Forex MT5 Real, Forex MT5 demo, then the Forex MT4 Real, and then so on. And then if you want to open your safe, you can just click on this button which says open. And then if you want to buy, you're going to see the button there, the green button which says buy. Then you can sell, and then if you want help with the trading, then you're going to select the AI feature here in the middle. And let's say that you want to top up your account, then you are going to go to the top right, and then you select the top up option there. And then under the heading, which is payment method, you're going to choose your own payment method. So you can select Visa, MasterCard, or not, you can choose bank transfer, then Litecoin, then Tether. Or let's say that you want to add money in a different way, then you can just go to this option which says choose another. Now, after you've chosen your top up option, your payment method, then you're going to select the amount in dollars. And then if you have a promo code, then you can just apply it there under promo code. And then you're going to click on continue and pay. Now, let's say that you want to switch the indicators and you want to make some adjustments. Then you're going to go to this button here, which says indicators. And then you can just make some or select some options here. So we have ADX, accelerator, oscillator, Arun, bearish power, and then bullish power, and so on. Then if you want to access the other markets, then you're going to go to the left side, and then you're going to select market. Then you can select from market, purchases, gem lottery, gems mining, and then social rewards. And let's say that you need help with the account. Then what you can do is you can go to the left side of the screen and then select the option which says help. And then there are official channels that you can follow. So over there, official channels like WhatsApp and Discord, and then you can follow them on there. And let's say that you want to contact them, then you are going to select support services. Now we have different options. We have the support service, guides and tutorials, reviews, support chat, then the applications, and then you can click on create a new support request. Then you'll need to verify your email address. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.